Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I would be going to discuss about the derivation of zeros of quadratic polynomial. Get started. Derivation of zeros of quadratic polynomial is relationship between zeros and coefficient of a polynomial. Also, the general form of quadratic polynomial is ax square plus bx plus c, where a not equal to 0. If a is equal to 0, the first term is removed in this expression. Then second term and last term only. Bx plus c is not a quadratic polynomial, that is linear polynomial. So here a not equal to 0. Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Divide a in all the terms. That is ax square by a plus b by a x plus c by a is equal to 0 by a. Then a cancel. Then x square plus b upon a x plus c upon a is equal to 0. This is equation 1. If alpha and beta are the zeros of the quadratic polynomial p of x, then if alpha is zeros of the polynomial, then x minus alpha is the factor. Beta are the zeros of the polynomial, then x minus beta also factor. So if alpha and beta are the zeros of quadratic polynomial of p of x, then x minus alpha and x minus beta are the factors of quadratic polynomial p of x. Both are factors. In quadratic polynomial, two linear factor is there. Then product of such a two linear factor, x minus alpha into x minus beta is equal to 0. Then opening the bracket, we will get x square minus alpha minus beta into x plus alpha beta is equal to 0. This is equation 2. Comparing equation 1 and 2. Equation 1 is equal to this one. Then equation 2, x square minus alpha minus beta into x plus alpha beta is equal to 0. Comparing equation 1 and 2. Both right hand side is 0. In both equation, right hand side is 0. In two equation, right hand side is 0. Then left hand side also equal. Here x square plus b by a x plus c by a is equal to second equation. Comparing coefficient of x square x and constant term on both sides. Coefficient of x square is both side 1 only. X is equal to here minus alpha minus beta is equal to b by a. And alpha plus beta is equal to c by a. Alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a. Alpha into beta is equal to c by a. C upon a. A is the coefficient of x square, which means sum of zeros is equal to coefficient of x upon coefficient of x square. Product of zeros is equal to constant by coefficient of x square. Then on example, x square plus 7x plus 10 is 10. Here coefficient of x square is equal to a is equal to 1. Coefficient of x is equal to b is 7. C is equal to 10. Alpha beta are the zeros. Alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a. Here minus 7 by 1. Alpha into beta is equal to c by a. That is 10. Means sum of two numbers is minus 7 and product of same two numbers is 10. Sum of two numbers is minus 7 and product of same two numbers is 10. So here method is factors of 10. 1, 2, 5, 10. Any two factor sum is minus 7. Here only possible 2 and 5. 2 plus 5 equals 7. So here sum is equal to minus 7. So minus 2 minus 5. So minus 2 and minus 5 are the zeros of polynomial x square plus 7x plus 10. So in this video completed, derivation of zeros of the polynomial, which means relationship between zeros and coefficient of polynomial. These are the method. Here completed all the things about derivation of zeros of quadratic polynomial. Thank you for watching.